Hello guys, welcome to my AndWin Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to fix WhatsApp web not working in your Google Chrome. So before going to start the video, if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your WhatsApp web not working in your Google Chrome, then you can try some of these steps what I will show in this video. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome. You can see a three dot, just click on that, click on the settings. In left section you can see here privacy and security, just click on that. After that you will find clear browsing data, just click on that. You need to select the time range as all time and check mark all these three options. After that just click on clear data. After completion of this, just close this window. Again you have to click on start menu, click on settings. You can see here network and internet, just click on that. Or you can just open it from here, just click on the start menu, then type here other troubleshooters or just type troubleshoot. You can see a troubleshoot setting, just click on that, click on other troubleshooters. You can see here internet connection, just click on run. It will detect all your internet problem. After detecting the internet problem, it will resolve automatically. Guys, you need to wait to complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window. And the third option is just click on start menu, then type here cmd, right click on command prompt window, click on run as administrator, click on yes to allow. Here you need to type couple of the command what I will provide in my video description link. You can just copy paste from there, or else you can see it what I will type here. First command is ipconfig space /flush DNS. And hit enter. And the second command is net sh space winsock space reset. Hit enter. After completion of this, just close this window and try the fourth option. Click on start menu, click on settings, click on network and internet. You have to scroll down a little bit. You can see here advanced network setting, click on that. After that, under more setting you will find network reset, just click on network reset and click on reset now. After resetting, all your network setting will be resetted, and you have to connect your Wi-Fi with password. Just close this window, then try the last and final method. Click on start menu, click on settings, you have to click on network and internet. After clicking the network and internet, you need to scroll down a little bit. You can see here advanced network setting, just click on that. After that, under related setting you will find more network adapter option, just click on that. You need to right click on that from which you have using your internet, or you have connected through Wi-Fi, or you have connected the internet through cable. If you have connected through the Wi-Fi, just right click on the Wi-Fi, click on properties, just select internet protocol version 4, click on properties and assign the DNS. Use the following DNS server as 8.8.8.8. after that 8.8.4.4. after that just click OK and close this window. Guys, after doing all the settings, once you need to restart your laptop or PC. After restarting your laptop or PC, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix WhatsApp web not working in Google Chrome. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.